Okay, so Facebook groups, they are packed with your ideal prospects, but there's no real way today to be able to message them without getting blocked or wasting hours manually. So this is exactly what we built. This system is going to scrap all of the members of any Facebook group. We're going to generate personalized messages to each member using ChatGPT, and then we're going to send it through Messenger with something called UI Vision that's going to be totally hands-free and at scale. So if you want to use this for your own business, I invite you to join our Skool community, where we already built this flow ready for you to use it for yourself. If you're new here, I'm Magdalena. I'm the co-founder of Replic. I'm here to help you automate your entire outreach process with strategies and approaches that actually work. If you're interested in that, make sure to follow this channel for more, and let's get started. Okay, so before diving into the flow, let's talk about the strategy behind it and why it actually works. So the problem today is that most tools doesn't really work today for Facebook messaging. So if you ever tried messaging people in Facebook groups, you know the pain. Facebook blocks mass messaging tools and Chrome extensions get you flagged. So legit software options, they don't really exist for Messenger at scale. So unless you want to manually message 100 people a day, there's no real scalable way until now, because we built this inside of n8n. This is what I'm going to show you here today, and here's what we built. So step one here is that we're going to scrap Facebook groups with Apify. So using Apify, this one, Facebook group member scraper, we're going to scrap the full name, Facebook profile URL, group context, and you can target any niche like SaaS founders, marketing freelancers, agency owners, recruiting agencies, whatever fits your audience. And step two, we're going to personalize the message with ChatGPT. So we send the member data plus their group name to ChatGPT, and it replies with something like, "Hey Julia, so we're both in the cold email group on Facebook," and then you have a small pitch here. It's simple, it's relevant, and it's at scale. And step three, we're going to use something called UI Vision. So this is a tool that's going to take over your computer and execute tasks for you. So since Facebook blocks API extensions, auto DMs, we use UI Vision, a browser automation tool that literally mimics human clicks. So what it does is that it's going to open Messenger in your computer, it's going to paste the message, and it's going to hit send. And then it's going to move to the next contact like a robot assistant. So no bans, no spam alerts, just hands-free outreach for you. So why it works is because it's hyper-targeted. You choose the group, it's a perfect ICP for you. It's all automated, you don't need to touch a thing, and this system is like having a virtual assistant that quietly messages 50 plus potential leads a day while you focus on closing deals. So this is mind-blowing, and I know you're gonna love it, so let's dive into the flow and see how it works live. Okay, so this is the flow we built inside of n8n, and all you have to do here is to enter the URL of the Facebook group that you want to scrap. So here I'm using the cold email group, and I know this is ideal prospects to me because they are interested in cold outreach. So I'm going to take this URL here and I'm going to place it inside of this node. And then we're going to start the Apify process. So here we're going to scrap all of the leads inside of this group using this Apify scraper. And all you have to do here is to grab your cookie inside of Facebook. So what you do here is that you go into these copy cookies, you're going to download this Chrome extension, and once you have it, when you open the Chrome extension, you just copy the cookie, and here you have it. And what you're going to do with this cookie is then to place it inside of this node right here in the bottom of this box here. So we have the cookie right here, and this is just where you're going to paste the cookie that you have. And once you have it, then you're going to be able to run this flow, and we're going to retrieve the group data and then generate a personalized DM for each of the prospects inside of this group using this prompt right here. And as you can see, we also have a small fallback here if we don't have the information that we need for the message. And after that, we're going to add everything inside of this sheet. So we're going to test this flow, and in just a couple of minutes we're going to have the information right here. And meanwhile, we're going to UI Vision, we're going to download this Chrome extension. This is the browser automation that's going to mimic human tasks. So here we're going to download it, and once you have it, we're going to have it right here. This is how it looks inside of UI Vision, and what you're going to do here is just to upload the JSON file that we prepared for you inside of the Skool community. So once you uploaded the JSON file, this is what you're going to have right here. And this is basically what it's going to do. It's going to go to this sheet, it's going to grab the URL of each prospect, it's going to open a new tab, it's going to enter the URL, and then it's going to go to Facebook, open the messenger, and then it's going to alternate and do this one by one until all of the leads has been contacted. And here you have all of the data. So now we're going to close all of the other tabs here because the automation is super sensitive. So I'm going to close everything here and open this UI vision. And now I'm going to play this one. So I'm going to just go here, play loop. And then I have a few examples here, but obviously you can do all of the leads if you want to. And then I click play. So here, this is what it's going to do. It's going to copy this URL. Without me doing anything, it's going to open a new tab. It's going to enter the URL for us, enter the message that we have for this person, and then we're going to send it on autopilot. So this is how the automation basically works. It's going to go one by one and then go through all of the leads for you. I really hope you see the power of this automation, where we're going to be able to message people at scale without being banned or do hours of manually sending all of these messages. If you see the power of this flow, then I invite you to join our Skool community, where I upload flows and AI automations like this for you to use in your own business each week. So we built this community for you if you're a salesperson, entrepreneur, or business owner who doesn't know how to use tech or automations to scale your business. So if this is you, make sure to join now, because prices increase each 10 members. I really hope you find value in this video. If you do, please comment and like this video down below, and I look forward to talk to you again in the next video with a new automation. Have a good week. Bye.